Hey geeks, Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to tell if your accounts on your machine are local or Microsoft accounts. A local account uses a username and password, sometimes not even that, to log in. However, you need to create a Microsoft account to access the Windows Store. A Microsoft account means you already have the Microsoft account and you logged into Windows 8 or 10 with that account. So in this case, a Microsoft account allows you to sync between devices, back up to the cloud, different stuff like that. If you're curious how it works, one of my favorite ways is PowerShell. The reason for this is a quick copy paste and you get all the information you want. And more importantly, if you've never used PowerShell before, this is one of those places where it's a good place to try it because there's no harm done. What we want to do is press the Windows key plus X and click on Windows PowerShell admin right there. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit here. Now, you want to copy and paste this code or type it in if you like to type. I will provide a link in the video description so you can get this code. Press Control V. And by the way, sometimes people are like, where's the code? Where's the code? If you're looking on YouTube, a lot of times you have to look for the video description. There's an arrow, you have to expand it. YouTube shows about a paragraph, so after I write out the description of the video, and by the time I get to the link, it's actually usually out of sight. That's why you usually don't see it, so just a little heads up. So again, with PowerShell, you just press Control and V, and as you can see, it pasted it in there. And this is going to show us any enabled account, for example, the account that you're logged into. As you can see, as my username Major Geeks, and I am local. I don't know if I have multiple accounts on here because it's a virtual machine, but if you want to check all accounts on your computer, copy this code, and frankly you could actually just copy or paste this code in by right out of the gate, simply because it's going to show you enabled accounts as well as everybody else. As you can see, we're going to press Control V again, and we're going to press enter. And as mentioned, there's Major Geeks, he's local, and the administrator, default, guest, and you can see they're all local accounts. Otherwise, you might see local or Microsoft account if you're logged in. So let's take a look at the other way to do it, which is settings, and it's not that much harder because that's easy. But more importantly, you can switch between accounts, which isn't so easy to do from PowerShell. So you could switch from a Microsoft to local or local to Microsoft. We'll show you that real quick. Let's go to Start, Settings, Accounts, right here. And right out of the gate, you're under the Your Info section. You can stay right here. If you see an email address right here, you're probably logged in. Well, not probably. You're logged in with a Microsoft account, and that's your Microsoft account email. And as you can see, there's two other places you'll notice it. Manage my Microsoft account and stop signing in to all Microsoft apps. Something along that lines. As you can see here in this screenshot, it's a little bit different on my other computer. Manage my Microsoft account, sign in with a local account instead. So that's probably the way to handle it. You can, as you can see, create a Microsoft account, and other information here probably opens a web browser. Yeah. So if you need more help, you can get it there. So you click here to manage your account, and again, you'll see something different hopefully on your computer, which is sign in with a local. Now, what you can expect is vice versa. So if you have a Microsoft account, you see that? If you have a local account, you will actually see just one line that says sign in with a Microsoft account instead, and that will allow you to create a Microsoft account to log in. So there you go. Just in case you were curious, that's how you can tell the difference between local and Microsoft accounts in Windows 10, just in case you didn't know or you want to know what your other users are doing. There you go. Thanks as always for watching. See ya.